Hi folks, Duke here from Workman Firearms. Today we're going to disassemble and reassemble the Sig 220 10mm Hunter. Let's get to it. Okay, the first thing you do with any firearm when you're going to work on it is to ensure that it is empty. So we'll check it, and one thing I'll tell you right now is a gun with this caliber with a big recoil spring is going to be a little bit harder to cock and to make sure that it's open. One of the things you can do is to cock the hammer back as you move it to the slide stop, and as you can see here, the magazine is gone and the chamber is physically checked. And we'll check it again and check it again to make sure that we have no cartridges in the weapon. Now, this is a Sig, and they all disassemble pretty much the same way. Once the slide is locked back with the slide stop, you rotate the takedown lever 90 degrees to the right, release the slide stop lever, and the slide will come off. You put the grip down to remove the barrel and the spring. You take the recoil spring out. This happens to be a captured recoil spring, meaning it's captured on both ends. And you'll notice that there's color on one end. That's important to remember when you install it. And then you remove the barrel, and there it is, field stripped. Now, to reassemble this, after you've cleaned it and lubricated it, you first insert the barrel. Lock it in. Then the recoil spring goes in. And again, here it's important to get the recoil spring on the little shelf on the barrel. Once you have that, you can reassemble it by placing the slide on the rails, bringing it all the way back until you can engage the slide stop, bring the takedown lever up, and do a function check. And there you have it, the Sig 220 Hunter in 10mm, disassembled and reassembled. Have a nice day.